The Andel Institute is moving to phase 3 of clinical trials on a drug that could potentially slow the progression of symptoms for Parkinson's disease. The drug, a type of cough medication. The drug is called Ambroxol. It was invented in the 1960s and is used in many cough medicines in Europe and South America, but was never approved for use in the United States. Through a partnership with Cure Parkinson's, VAI has looked at drugs already proven to be safe and see if they can be applied to other ailments.
In the beginning, they evaluated mostly all compounds that had previously had some kind of FDA or other regulatory agency approval. And the purpose behind that is to facilitate these drugs getting into clinical trials quickly. So if they've already been proven safe and they have evidence that they could treat Parkinson's disease, this can really speed the process because clinical trials can take many years.
You can read more about phase 3 and how the drug works inside of our story right now on woodtv.com.